Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. And today we are on Advanced Functions playlist day 9, if error. A very useful formula when it comes to evaluating an error and replacing the error with something else. So if I tell you like this, you won't like me. Let me show it to you on the Excel. Okay, let's begin. And before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit subscribe button and then press on the bell icon right next to that. Right. Okay, let's begin with our this table. If you remember, this is same table which I had used for VLOOKUP, the cartoon characters, yes, and their employee ID. Now, let me recall the VLOOKUP just for our benefit to carry on with our if error. So here our employee ID goes, and here is our VLOOKUP function, lookup value, range where the table, and column index, which is second column since the name is in second column, and 0 for the exact match. Done. Now this is something which you already know, right? VLOOKUP, and that pulls out the name of the person. Let's not have title today, right? Now, in case if the employee ID does not found, say for example, I use this employee ID and it says NA. So I don't want to show NA. I would like to show something, a meaningful message saying not found, ID not found, something like that. So I don't want to show some error because not all the user will be familiar with Excel errors. NA is nothing but it is not available in the list. The 2015713 is not available in the given list. Now I don't want to show NA. Instead, I would like to show a message. Right? Let's do that. Okay. There we go. All you need to do with this existing formula, we're going to wrap if error at the beginning of the VLOOKUP, and at the end put a comma. Let me move towards the left so you can see this completely. Put a comma and then specify. So here you see value if error value, which is this VLOOKUP value. I would like if error to perform this activity. If an error comes, what value I should be showing? You show me a value saying not found, right? Look at this, not found. If an employee ID found, it simply results the answer. If employee ID not found, it just says not found. It does not appear with any error message. This is one way of doing it. Okay, if I type the entire formula from the beginning, if error, first thing that do the calculation of VLOOKUP for this value from this table, second column, 0 for the exact match. If in case the value not found, put it as not found. Remember, use double quotes in the beginning and at the end. Yes, close it, not found. Right? This is one way of using if error formula. Let me also show you one more. Okay. All right, I got the data ready for the if error, another method. Okay, now here showing not found. Say, for example, if you're looking at one employee ID and looking at one table, say I have team engineering team, and I have finance team data. Now, if say these data are arranged in different files or different sheets. Okay, now I would like to do the VLOOKUP from this table first. If not found, then do a VLOOKUP from the table 2. Okay, let's achieve it. So all we need to do, take out the not found value, and then here value if error. If an error appears, what you should do a second VLOOKUP for the same data from the second table, right? And the name is in the second column, and 0 is the exactness value. Right. Let's just close it. Yes. Okay. There we go. So it picks up Avenger from the table 2. This is the employee ID, wherein it did find it, will if error first searches in the table 1 for this VLOOKUP, and if it is not found, goes to the second table for the second VLOOKUP and retrieves the data. Now you may ask me, Dayanand, what happens if this employee ID not found in both the tables? What do I do? Now I will leave this to you. I'll leave this question to yourself. So try finding out if you can write one simple function which can do check in the table 1 and table 2, and if both the tables not found, display a message saying not found. Okay, so try this. So spend some time, get your hands dirty with this Excel. You will definitely get it right. So if you need help on this, please do comment. Please let me know. I can certainly have this done for you. All right. So that's it for today. If error, very useful formula. I normally use it when I do a VLOOKUP function. In case an error appears, we can display an A, or simply say the item not found, or carry on some other calculation if any error appears. Okay, so happy learning, happy learning. Yes, enjoy the daily dose of Excel. Thank you. This is Dayanand, Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more videos.